Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and overlooked branding decisions you'll make as a site founder, your color palette. Before they read a tagline or scroll through profiles, the colors you pick will trigger an emotion. Will that emotion decide whether they stay or bounce? Let me give you a couple of quick color psychology examples. Red triggers passion and urgency. Often you will see sales buttons in red. But on a dating site, too much red could come across as rather intense. Pink says romance and warmth. It's a classic for dating, but a bright pink might be more geared towards a younger demographic, while a dusty rose or mauve is more suitable for an audience older than 35. Here is a simple exercise. Write down one word that describes how you want users to feel when they land on your site. That one word is your color compass. Tinder is red-orange for urgency. Tinder is aiming for high-volume, fast-paced matching. Bumble chose to go with an unexpected yellow for warm, optimistic, and a little unexpected. It stands out in an app store full of red and pink. Who are the people of your niche? What brands do they already love? An outdoor adventurer might love REI's earthy palette. A gamer might love Razer's neon on black aesthetic. A bookworm might love Penguin Classics' typographic elegance. A common mistake made by founders is picking one color they love and calling it a day. Branding requires a system. Here is the 60-30-10 rule. 60% of your visual space uses your dominant neutral or primary color, 30% is your secondary color, and 10% is your accent, the color that makes people click. Sites like coolors.co or color.adobe.com can help you lock down your primary color and suggest complementary color combinations. Color is not a universal language. White feels clean and bridal in the US, but in several East Asian cultures, it's the color of mourning. If you are building for a cross-cultural niche, you need to know if there are cultural implications to your color scheme. Roughly 8% of men have color vision deficiency. That means for every 1,000 men on your site, 80 of them might struggle to read your interface. Go to WebAM's contrast checker, plug in your colors, and it will tell you if you pass or fail accessibility standards. Every color in your palette exists in different languages depending on how it is being used. Hex is for web and CMYK is for print. When you finalize your palette in a tool like Coolors or Adobe Color, download the full export and get all the formats listed in one document. If a user sees your Facebook ad on a Monday, gets an email from you on Wednesday, and visits your website on Friday, do all three look like they are from the same brand? The fix isn't complicated, it's disciplined. Lock your hex codes, build a template in Canva for social posts, and give every contractor you work with your brand guide. It can be as simple as one page with your logo, 3 to 5 color codes, and 2 fonts. Now you have the framework, understand the emotion, and match it to your niche. Create a document for easy reference and stay consistent.